at maximum thrust. Lift off.
And there is liftoff of the Soyuz MS-10 to the International Space Station, carrying Nick Hague and Alexei Ovchinin to the orbital complex. This again is 930,000 pounds of thrust from its 4 boosters and single engine. Again, the first stage of the Soyuz measures 68 feet in length and 24 feet in diameter.
The pressure in the chamber is nominal. Burlock 1, copy. Everything is well on board. The helium gas.
Nick Hague there at the top of the screen and Alexei Ovchinin at the bottom.
Burlock 1, copy.
View here of the Soyuz making its way into space.
Is it emergency booster 2 minutes 45 seconds, the emergency, the failure of the booster?